Welcome guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now guys, things are come up to bump. Story. This is a story. Guys, this story been talking about for years, for a long time. But nobody has said nothing. Breaking news, guys. Anyway, guys, before me even going into this video, I want to say big up to all of my viewers and my subscribers. Enough respect, enough manners. Thank you very much for keep pushing the page, the channel. Thank you very much, my viewers and subscribers. Let's get into it. Let's hear what I want.
Rap and media mogul JayZ now accused of raping a 13-year-old girl in 2000 along with Sean Diddy Combs. Now, this lawsuit was originally filed back in October in the Southern District of New York, listing Diddy as the defendant, but it was just refiled today to include JayZ now, whose real name is Sean Carter. Of course, he's the husband of Beyonce.
My viewers and subscribers, this been talking about for a very long time. Yeah, man. For a very long time. I don't know if you don't hear or if you don't know about this, but these things been talking about for a very long time. Say JayZ is a part of what you see go on with Diddy and also with R. Kelly. Make we continue listening.
The anonymous accuser alleging the assault occurred after she was driven to an after party following the MTV Video Music Awards. The suit says she was offered a drink that made her feel, quote, woozy, lightheaded, and felt like she needed to lie down. Shortly after, the suit claims JayZ and Diddy entered the room where she was resting, eventually sexually assaulting her. And now, just in the last hour, we are hearing from JayZ and his team of lawyers. They are denying the claim and say that they are the victims of blackmail, saying, quote, I will not give you one red penny, and my only heartbreak is for my family. Joining us now to break this all down as it's happening, News Nation launch.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, hear me out. Them always say these things, see? And everybody always come out and I say, no. Me not do that, me not do this. But me always wonder to myself, what these guys really think when them do these things. If them do these things, allegedly that them do these things. And one of the reasons why I talk about this thing, you know, is because CMR is in the same thing. All of them is doing the same thing and then coming out saying they don't do it. Lie the people them I tell. So me kinda I try to it's a trend. The young ladies them can't have peace in them life. Them have to continuously living with this kind of things on and on because somebody decided to take over their own life and their own. Make we continue listen to what this lady has to say.
Justice contributor, former FBI special agent Jennifer Coffendorfer. Jennifer, thanks for staying with us on this.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And so we just received a response from the victim's lawyer, really just in the last few minutes. Take a look. This is on social media. A lawyer, Tony Busby, saying JayZ has, quote, tried to bully and harass me and this plaintiff, but his conduct has had the opposite impact. He goes on to say that the allegations speak for themselves and he will let the facts come out in court, not in the media. What do you make of this real-time back and forth that we're seeing between these two parties tonight?
Well, it is interesting, and I think it's because JayZ came out so strongly and said, listen, I'm going to go after you, and then he filed a suit quickly on the heels of the other suit against Busby and the accuser. So because of that, you're seeing this taunting sort of back and forth in the media.
Do you believe that we may see JayZ face a judge? And if so, when would we see him in court? Any indication there yet?
Well, we're definitely going to see him, I believe, on this suit. There are so many details. You know, they describe a house, a driveway, another woman being there. What? They discuss about a driver taking her. So she's locked into this story now, and that means there could be additional witnesses to corroborate her story or refute the story.
Yeah, I know you've mentioned the specificity of the details really stand out to you in this filing. Do you find it strange that the filing originally did not include JayZ, just Diddy, and now JayZ is suddenly added today? I mean, does that make JayZ's addition in any way less credible, or is this not in fact so unusual?
It's not unusual when they're still digging up information and facts to prove the allegations that they're trying to make. In addition, remember, this 13-year-old says there's a female there. That has not been disclosed either. That will be very interesting because she could be culpable in this as well.
Yeah, that is interesting. Do you expect we are going to be seeing other celebrity names added and refiled in other lawsuits?
Viewers and subscribers, this not look good. This is not good. Yeah. You know, every time I listen, I hear these things, me cringe. Because me have no idea where these females are go through. These young boys are go through. But my heart goes out for them, you know? My heart goes out for them. Because this not right. And to all of the people out there, you know, viewers and subscribers, allegedly, you know, allegedly, because guess what? There's no proof. It's just the girl words against his words and the information that the girl will lay out, and after they do them investigation, what will comes as part of this situation. Yes, this is what I say.
Our newsroom with more on the new lawsuit. Camilla.
Jonathan and Kathy, the accuser in this civil lawsuit is only being identified as Jane Doe. The suit was initially filed back in October in New York. Sean Diddy Combs was listed as a defendant. JayZ's name was added to the lawsuit that was refiled today. Bombshell allegations Sunday against JayZ. A civil lawsuit is accusing the rapper, whose legal name is Sean Carter, of allegedly raping a 13-year-old at a house.
Hold on. I forgot. Carter. This is an... Hold on here now. That's another Carter right here. 13. My viewers and subscribers, we got problems. Yeah, we got problems. Yeah, man, we got problems. What happened to the Carters? There's 2 Carters now, allegedly. Make a listen.
Party in New York with Sean Diddy Combs after the MTV Video Music Awards in 2000. NBC News was the first to break the story. The lawsuit was filed by Texas attorney Tony Busby, who also represented socialite Rebecca Grossman, the woman convicted of second-degree murder in a crash that killed 2 boys in Westlake Village. Here's entertainment correspondent Chloe Melas.
So there's no telling what other bombshells and allegations are going to be coming out when it comes to Sean Combs, either against him or naming other celebrities. And I think that all we can do is continue to stay on the story. And I think that it's not just Busby. There are other attorneys filing these civil complaints. And also keep in mind that New York prosecutors, they are still in that grand jury process trying to bring a superseding indictment against Combs. So that could mean more criminal charges.
A statement from Carter Sunday, which also included personal accusations against Busby, reads in part, "These allegations are so heinous in nature that I implore you to file a criminal complaint, not a civil one. Whomever would commit such a crime against a minor should be locked away. Would you not agree? These alleged victims would deserve real justice if that were the case." The statement goes on to say, "My only heartbreak is for my family. My wife and I will have to sit our children down."
I think what's significant is that JayZ is coming out swinging. He's a private person. He doesn't do interviews often. He doesn't make statements often.
Attorneys for Sean Diddy Combs also releasing a statement. It reads in part, "As his legal team has said before, Mr. Combs has full confidence in the facts and the integrity of the judicial process. In court, the truth will prevail that Mr. Combs never sexually assaulted or trafficked anyone, man or woman, adult or minor." Here's entertainment attorney Jonathan Handel on whether this civil lawsuit could be.
Viewers and subscribers, what's a coincidence? Carter, and then you have CMR, Carter. What's a coincidence? But guys, out of fun and joke, this is not a joke. This is serious business, allegedly. This is no joke. This is serious. What?
Become criminal.
And first-degree rape in New York does not have a statute of limitation that you can look back as far as necessary. There's a real possibility and a likelihood that the authorities will investigate a potential criminal case here. And if they're able to develop evidence that seems to them to be sufficient, there is a significant possibility.
We have reached out to Tony Busby, the attorney who filed the suit against JayZ. We are waiting to hear back. Sean Diddy Combs' trial for his federal sex trafficking charges is scheduled for early May.
My viewers and subscribers, which part this thing are going to end? Which part it going to end? And this, the reason why I ask that question, I say, is if a young 13-year-old goes someplace where she shouldn't be because of her 13-year-old age, and you as a grown man see her, your job is to point her in the right direction. The right direction is home. Find out what is her phone number or something. Send her home. Instead, allegedly, you force yourself onto her. Let me tell you something what happened to me. Me at work, and a guy said to me, "Let's go to the bar on Friday nights. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights." He goes to the bar downtown. Me said to him, say, "No, me no like the bar." Him say, "Me could go to the bar. In the bar, the girls, they're drunk." So me said, "They're drunk." Him say, "Oh yes, they're drunk. And when they're drunk, you can take them home." Me said, No. Me nah come with you. Me nah do that. You know why? When them wake up in the morning, or when them realize to themselves, what happened to me? I didn't give authority to do that. Then they call the police. Police come for me, say, "No, not gonna happen to me." So me no go at the bar with him, and me no go at the bar with none at all, go drink. Nope, not doing it. Yeah, not doing it. Because me no want nobody put nothing on my drink and carry me away. I mean, no want nobody put on my drink and nobody else drink, and then all of a sudden me end up a place where me no know. So you cannot drug people, take what them got, disrespect them, and expect to still live. Because guess what happened? This been happening for a long time, and them a talk about it for years. Them a talk about it for years. Say, not only R. Kelly do it, not only Sean Combs, but they have been saying JayZ too. Allegedly. My viewers and subscribers, I will be bringing you more information on this situation. Until next time, remember, like the video. Please share the video and also comment on the video. Make we discuss these things. And remember, please, I'm begging you, Tell your friend, if you tell a friend, if you tell the other friend and the other friend, say if you come subscribe to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, because we have a goal. 5,000 subscribers by December 31st. January 2025, nah go good again. A lot of things we go do, and my viewers and subscribers, I will need your guys' help in what I'll be doing in Jamaica. I'm going to be feeding people in Jamaica. I'm going to be helping cancer people in Jamaica. So I go need all of your help and support. Thank you very much. Enough respect. No say a word. Peace and love. I'm out. Bye-bye.